Hi everyone, this is Akshata from Akshata's Recipes. How are all of you doing? I hope you're all doing great. Well, today's recipe is an Indian dessert called Gulab Jamun. It's very easy to prepare and it is delicious to eat. Before we go ahead with the recipe, I'm very glad to inform you that this video is a collaboration with a fellow YouTuber, Ellen, from Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm going to leave a link of her channel down in my description box as well as in the comments box below. Please do make it a point to go and visit her channel. She's such an amazing person and she has such an array of dishes. She has a lot of desserts and just a wide variety of dishes, and she's such an amazing and lively and lovely person. So go and visit her channel, subscribe to her channel. You're going to definitely love her channel a lot. And for those of you who are coming over from Ellen's channel, hi guys, my name is Akshata. I too have a cooking channel with a few vlogs here and there, and I do a lot of Indian dishes as well as international dishes, and I love learning new recipes and sharing it with all of you guys. So I hope you all like my channel. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel and share my recipes with friends and family. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into this Indian dessert, Gulab Jamun.
Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button you see below this video. Do ring the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Please share my recipes with family and friends. Do visit my channel for more than 215 videos. And thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Take care.